Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2014 Chevy Silverado. Gonna start our walk around on the driver's side, stopping to look at those tires. A lot of tread left there. Just gonna be looking down the panels for any dents, dings, scratches. Got little spots right there. They have added a nice set of Weston step assists. As we come down the driver's side, we'll just point out any of those little scratches we see. This is a four-wheel drive. As we get around to the back, you do have an integrated backup camera and trailer tow. We'll check inside to make sure that's still working. And then coming up the passenger side, you can see those tires are brand new, still have the stickers on them there. One little scratch down low. Little spot right there. Looking inside the truck now, you do get multiple adjustments for the driver's seat here. It's a gray cloth seating. 36,509 is your current mileage. They do have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo system here. The backup camera is integrated. It does work. I did check that for you. All your climate control functionality there. There's your four-wheel drive control. And of course, this is the 6-passenger arrangement. So you do have seating for 6 people in this truck. Looking in the back seat now, we'll just do a nice slow pan over the seats. No rips or tears back here. And then we'll go ahead and flip that out of the way, revealing that additional storage space. Full bed liner. There's your spare. Coming in from the passenger side, just going to take one more look around. Nice vinyl flooring, very easy for cleanup. We're going to finish up in the front passenger seat. Taking a look over that seating surface, we'll go ahead and flip that armrest down. This does house all your power ports, USB, auxiliary. Take one more spin around the back. And that's going to wrap up your 2014 Chevy Silverado.